Welcome to my channel, Rose Beauty. Eye Cream, Reasons and Secrets of a Key Product in Skincare Routines. The skin around the eyes also has a higher density of blood vessels, which can make it prone to swelling and dark circles, often exacerbated by factors like lack of sleep, allergies, or stress. Additionally, constant facial movements such as blinking, smiling, and squinting contribute to the formation of fine lines and wrinkles, commonly known as crow's feet. Due to these unique characteristics, the eye area requires specialized care to keep its health and appearance. The use of eye cream. We know of the importance of using this product in the delicate eye area, but the main question is, what does eye cream do? Eye creams are specialized skincare products designed to address the unique concerns of the delicate skin around the eyes. Among some of the benefits of using this specific purpose cream, we can find moisturize. The skin around the eyes is thinner and more prone to dryness. Eye creams and serums provide hydration, helping to maintain the skin's moisture barrier. Reduce swelling. Many eye creams contain ingredients like caffeine or green tea extract, which help reduce puffiness and swelling by constricting blood vessels and decreasing fluid buildup. Minimize dark circles. Ingredients such as vitamin C, niacinamide, and kojic acid that are part of the formula of these products can help lighten dark circles by reducing pigmentation and improving skin tone. Reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Eye creams often include anti-aging ingredients like retinol, peptides, and hyaluronic acid, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by promoting collagen production and plumping the skin. Protect. Many eye creams have antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which protect the skin from free radical damage caused by environmental factors such as UV rays and pollution. Firm and tighten. Some formulations contain ingredients that can temporarily tighten and lift the skin around the eyes, giving a more youthful appearance. Using an eye cream can be an effective part of a skincare routine, especially for those concerned with specific issues like dryness, swelling, dark circles, or signs of aging in the eye area. How to incorporate eye cream into my skincare routine. Eye cream can be incorporated into any skincare routine. It is important to remember that the eye cream you use should match your skin type and your needs. It is usually advisable to apply eye cream after applying serum and before applying the moisturizer. You can even use it if you have a Korean skincare routine. Double cleansing. Oil cleanser. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil. Water-based cleanser. Follow with a water-based cleanser to cleanse away any remaining impurities and water-based debris. If you want to exfoliate, remember to do it just twice or 3 times a week. Toner. Apply a hydrating toner to balance the skin's pH and prepare it for the subsequent layers of skincare. Gently pat it onto the skin with a piece of cotton or cotton disc. Essence. Pat an essence into your skin. This step helps to deeply hydrate and to prepare your skin to absorb the following treatments and products better. Serum or ampoule. Apply a serum or ampoule tailored to your skin concerns. For example, anti-aging, brightening, hydrating. Focus on the entire face but avoid the eye area. Eye cream. Now it is time for the eye cream. Use your ring finger, because it applies the least pressure, to gently apply the eye cream around the orbital bone. Avoid rubbing, as the skin around the eyes is delicate and can easily be damaged. Sheet mask. Place a sheet mask over your face and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. If you are using a sheet mask, apply it before your eye cream to allow the essence to penetrate better. You can do this once or twice a week. Moisturizer. Apply a moisturizer to lock in all the previous layers of hydration and treatments. Choose a moisturizer suited to your skin type. Sun protection. Finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. This is crucial to prevent aging and protect the delicate eye area as well. And always remember that you should use sun protection even on cloudy days or when being indoors. Thank you for watching my video. For a more interesting video, to subscribe to my channel.